To future generations, to don't look at Yiddish and Yiddishkeit as something that's from the dark ages. It's current, it's future, and you have to do your part in keeping it viable. You want it to continue. You have to look into all the little nooks and crannies and find it. It's there. It's a matter of you looking for it, vis-a-vis the Yiddish Book Center, where you have all the wonderful young people who are working there, who maybe didn't know Yiddish, like you, Krista, and were interested in finding out about it. And I know that there are people who are not Jewish who will learn Yiddish. I don't know whether you're Jewish or not, but it doesn't matter to me. You wanted to learn Yiddish. I don't know about Jessica. It doesn't matter to me. She wanted to learn Yiddish. That's the important part. Look, seek, be interested and curious. Don't look at, you would want to learn French or Spanish or Finnish or whatever. Why not Yiddish?